Hello, my friends. It's me again, Sheikh Amir Ali, and today we are going to be discussing about this. Let me make it a slide here, a big one. All right, we will be discussing today about P2P, money transfer on exchanges, and when cards don't work. So this is in simple words. It's written on the slide as well. What is P2P trading? It stands for peer-to-peer transactions, peer-to-peer trading. For example, you and me, we both negotiate and we agree to buy crypto on a specific price between each other, and exchange they act as a guarantor between both of us. Let's get into it now. Peer-to-peer allows users to buy, sell crypto directly with each other, like as I just said and explained. No need for bank cards or payment gateways. You can pay using local payment methods, JazzCash, EasyPesa, UPL, Paytm, etc. So this P2P is designed specifically for the countries like third world countries, Pakistan, Bangladesh, or I wouldn't say third world, my bad, Malamia, I apologize, amigos, I'm sorry. I would say Asian region, India, Bangladesh, because they are not third world anymore. They're growing, getting better now. And other countries, Sri Lanka and like this region, So it's designed for this region. So why they have designed it? Because in this region, banks they don't usually allow buying crypto directly on the exchange from your bank card. The reason behind it because of there are no rules and regulations about so many things, and they were concerned for security reasons and that sort of thing. Yeah, so I think that's prime reason. But exchanges, since they are operating globally, so they found a solution. You can like trade with each other on the platform, and there are like major chances of frauds as well. So in the beginning, I was a bit concerned, like I have to pay someone like in advance, so I don't know like the third party, like the other party is gonna release the coins or no. So one of my uncle, he's a close relative of mine. He told me like they are regulated, and you need to properly like register yourself if you want to have an exchange account on the exchange. If you have if you want to have peer-to-peer account on the exchange. So yeah, I mean it is a bit safe because the exchange is involved in it, and it's zero fee. You don't have to pay anything. But still, I would say there are like chances. You might get scammed, or like the fraud can be happen. That's possible here. So be very careful and mindful about that. No need for bank cards or payment gateways. You can pay using local payment methods. Oh yeah, I just told you. And when and why use P2P? Bank cards not supported on exchange. Want to use local payment apps or cash-based methods? Zero or lower fees compared to traditional payment methods. Flexibility in currency and payment options. So like I said, different currencies are available. You can like trade in any currency, like literally. Pardon me, I was burping. Let's go to the next slide. How it works. Choose a verified buyer, seller on P2P platform. So if when you go to the exchange, you select the option add funds. Over there, you'll see the option P2P. So you'll see the option P2P. You just choose a seller, which some of them they allow bank transfers, some of them they allow few different apps. Like in India, it's Paytm, if I'm not wrong. In Bangladesh, it's gonna be something else. In Pakistan, it's JazzCash, EasyPesa, Naya Pay, Sada Pay, loads of them, variety. So select your preferred method. If you wanna how you're gonna pay and receive the money, you can put your details in the exchange account as well. But you can communicate with the other party. Do not exchange your contact numbers and that the basic stuff. It can be used for fraudulent activities and stuff like that. Um, Yeah, let me read it for you guys. How it works: choose a verified buyer seller on P2P platform. Select your preferred payment method. Send receive money directly. Crypto is released automatically by exchange escrow once payment is confirmed. Popular exchanges with P2P options. Binance offers P2P global access, multiple currencies. KuCoin P2P expanding network of verified users. Bybit P2P, OKX P2P, clean UI, fast matching. So these are the exchanges which offers P2P money transfers, which are hassle free, but be very mindful and aware about the things and the buyer where you're buying from. Let's go to the next slide. Understanding, yeah, this one is a bit, I would say, tricky and complicated topic in crypto and in overall trading journey. This is gonna take time for you guys to master it, learn it. As I said, I'm not giving financial advice. Let me get back to the slide. Let me tell you something, a little story. So when I was like in my O levels IGCSE, one of my teacher, he used to say like, when you say you know everything and you don't want to learn, you're dead, you're finished. So he said like he was like 46 at that moment. So he said I'm still learning, and he was literally doing some degree or something, privately, but still. So he said like you keep on learning until unless you are alive. So that's what I believe in too. I'm learning as well. So whatever I know, I'm sharing with you guys, with you folks. So yeah, let's jump into it and see how it's gonna treat us. Understanding crypto charts and graphs. So I have divided these slides in part one, two, and three, I guess. Why charts matter? Charts shows price movement over time, helps traders spot trends, entries, exits, used for technical analysis. Basic chart types: candlestick chart, most popular. It's like little candles you'll see if you are familiar with the platforms and basic charts. And even if not, like you can go to the chart and see like hover on the option candlestick chart, like the type of chart you'll see. It's gonna be like candles, little candles. The red one shows it's always red is always, you guys already knew it. Danger, loss, not good. And green is a good signal, like positive. And profit, money. And in some exchanges it's the green one is replaced with blue. Red is always going to be red. That's not happening, no changes in it. So yeah, each candle shows open, like for example, this remote, yeah, will treat it like a candle. So you see, this is like a candle, yeah. So the open high is like this part. It shows like a little thing. So it shows here like what was the high and what's the low, and it starts from down there, all the trends and things like that. Pardon me, sorry. I just had food, ate good food. I was showing you guys this thing, this chart. I've got it with me. See, I'm not, I'm good with it, but still, you guys gotta keep it in front of you. So there are like different patterns. I'll show you I'll search it for you guys on my laptop. One candle patterns, two candle patterns, neutral, three plus candle patterns. So there are like, if you guys can see here, I'll open it over here. So yeah, I'll show you in a bit. Time frame, you can change the time frame accordingly: 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. So it depends on the type of trading you're doing. If you are like into sport, you can check the weekly, monthly, or like previous year or like next year. Like if you're planning for long term, if you are a short term trader, scalp trading, swing trade like 15-20 minutes, 1 day, 2 day, or like scalping like within minutes, you're taking the smaller trades, future trading. So you can check 15 minutes, half an hour, 30 minutes, or like 5 minutes chart. 1 minute is like super quick, like open trade, close trade, open trade, close trade, like if you're like super fast. But personally, I check 15 minutes because I'm like doing trades every day, like small trades. good ones. Sometimes they're bad as well, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, overall it's like a pleasant experience. So yeah, line charts simpler shows closing price only. Bar charts similar to candles but less used in crypto. They are like different categories of chart. Let's go to the next slide. Bullish patterns, uptrend. Bullish is a term in trading crypto market, or like you can say stocks market, when the prices they are going up, like on the top, indicate potential upward movement. Ascending triangle, bull flag, pennant, double bottom, cup and handle. Bearish patterns, downtrend, going down, indicate potential downward movement. Descending triangle, bear flag, raising wedge, head and shoulders, double top. These are all the types of pattern which candle is making, the chart is making. Tip: combine patterns with volume and RSI MACD indicators for better accuracy. I'll let you guys know what is RSI in the next slide, or maybe the other next one. Next after next. Come on. Yeah, this is like second part. Understanding crypto charts and graphs, part two, key indicators. What are technical indicators? Tools that analyze price, volume, and momentum, help confirm patterns and improve trade accuracy. Used for entry exit signals, trend strength, and overbought oversold zones. These are technical indicators. They tell you like when to enter the market, the exit signal, trend strength, and like the overall market situation. What's the cap? What's the volume of the market? And RSI, relative strength index. It ranges from 0 to 100, above 70. So if you go to a chart, there's a specific Bollinger band that shows this RSI indicator. There are like three lines, the three different with the different colors. It will show you like if the line is above the thingy, above 70 or something, it will show you overbought possible sell signal. If it is below, that's oversold possible buy signal, good for spotting market reversals. And example, RSI hits 80, price may drop. RSI near 20, possible bounce incoming. So easy peasy, just have a good read and Google it if you guys want to, or ask me, in my email. I will be more than happy to explain it further. Let's go to the next slide. M MACD, moving average convergence divergence, combines two moving averages. Bullish signal when MACD line crosses above signal line. Bearish signal when MACD line crosses below signal line. Shows momentum and trend shifts. Tip: look for crossovers plus divergence with price. The next one is moving averages, MA, EMA. These are all like options available in your chart when you're exploring it. When you see, you'll understand. You'll get with the you'll get familiar with the things when you'll explore the chart, and you'll have a quick look up at it. Not don't have a quick look, but give it a good time, to understand. That's how you're gonna understand. Quick is not gonna work in this trading journey. If you're quick, be quick, but not super quick. With the learning, be patient, and with the trades, be patient, but be quick with the speed. How fast crypto is moving and all that thing. BTC. Try to catch it if you can. But I hope I bet you guys can't. Because the speed of BTC is like massive. So yeah, moving averages, MA, EMA, SMA, simple, and EMA exponential, smooth out price action to show trend direction. Common ones: 50 MA, 100 MA, 200 MA. Price above 200 MA, long term uptrend trend. Price below 50 MA, short term downtrend. I'll continue in the next part. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it here.